Good morning, students. Now I am going to show you how to detect and identify the given radicals in chemistry lab. Now we have to identify this is acetate present in this given salt or not. See how many solutions are required. This is the salt you can see in the camera. So this is the salt given. First you have to take it and palm and just rub with your thumb and smell. If vinegar like smell, it means it is acetate. It may be acetate. Now how many things are required? This is the water. This is concentrated H2SO4. This is ethyl alcohol known as ethanol. K2CrO4 potassium chromate. This is Ki potassium iodide. This is dilute HCl, it means hydrochloric acid. NaOH sodium hydroxide, it is in dilute form. FeCl3 and dilute H2SO4. To identify acetate ion, we have to take a test tube and a small pinch of salt I have to add in it, and after that we have to add in it 2 or 3 ml of dilute H2SO4 like this. After this we have to smell it and identify smelly like vinegar. It means acetate indicated in it. Now what to do next? Take another test tube and same as before, a small pinch of salt, add in it 2-3 droplets of H2SO4 that we concentrated, and then add in this ethanol 2-3 ml of this also. And see, smell it first, and if you are experiencing smell fruity, then acetate it confirm. If you are unable to experience it, you have to heat it up for some time and then you can smell. Now take another test tube. These two experiments are over. Take another test tube, add some pinch of salt, some amount of water, make it solution. This is now solution of the given salt, and you have to add it in ferric chloride, and you will get you can see reddish brown part. Reddish brown is more in it. This is the reddish brown part. It means acetate is confirmed in this experiment. Now come to the board and see what is happening. Here, if you are going to identify the acetate ion in given salt, acetate plus H2SO4, when you will add in it H2SO4, you will get vinegar like smell. This vinegar like smell is of acetic acid, and then SO4 is formed. Now in the second experiment, you are going to add in acetic acid, ethyl alcohol, and then concentrate H2SO4, and then you are getting the fruity smell of ethyl ethanoate, and then water is formed. In the next experiment, in FeCl3 plus acetic acid. When it is mixed in FeCl3, we are getting reddish brown pot, that is ferric acetate, and chlorine is formed. Now in this experiment, this identification of acetate is over, in this salt acetate is present. Now in next video, we will see how to identify the lead ion. Thank you.